Hello, everybody. Good day. You're welcome to another module of the Stainless Digital Animation Training. And today we're really excited to host the next, animation. And what we're going to be looking at today is how to create our professional whiteboard animation. Now, I asked you guys to go to Play Store before now and download an app. The name of the app is called Benimi, and this is my app. It's called Benimi. So the next thing to do is to enter our app. Of course, it's showing us project movies and old movies. Movies and old movies is making reference to the previous videos we've created. Then as well as projects. But of course, we don't have any projects. So we cannot so that's why we have an empty interface. So in order to create our project, the first thing we come to this plus at the bottom right hand corner. Then we have opportunity to name our animation. While naming your animation, you must not put space in between characters, in between your words. So in this case, we have Stainless Digitals. We're truly excited to have you guys, honestly, on Stainless Digitals. You're very, very important to us. So the next is to choose a canvas for your size, right? Choose canvas size. Canvas size simply means, the interface, the area of your work. If you want to post it on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or different platforms, there are different canvas size. So we're just going to leave it as this YouTube. But if you want to post it at TikTok, you change it to TikTok, Vimeo, Facebook, or any of the options, right? So the next is you tap on create project and it's going to bring you to this interface. Now let me explain this interface very clearly. The first icon here, which is our sticker icon, when you tap on the sticker icon, it's going to give you opportunity to see different stickers, right? Now you can decide to, you see this first option, it says pick your own. You must have an already made sticker on your phone that you probably want to use, right? The next is the casual mail here, casual mail. So we'll keep moving from right to left to see different options that we have. This is casual mail. When you scroll down, you can pick any mail of your choice and use for your animation. This is corporate mail. If you want to use a corporate mail, this is corporate female. This is male occupation, right? We have different occupations here. This is female occupations. You can also check. And this is child, right? This is child. So you have different child option to pick. This is senior. This is our group. This is social media. This is our challenge. You can also choose from your challenge. This is finance if you want to make use of money. These are different shapes, right? You can use arrows for explainers. And this is business if you want to select any image for business. This is education. And this is animations where you get different animated art. Community helpers. So you can scroll down to where we have portraits. Of course, we have so many items here that we can't go through them. But you just, check all of these options. When you check all of these options, then you select any preferred option of your choice. The next is your text. We'll get to see practically how to create videos, right? The next is your text. So this place gives you opportunity to type something on your canvas. Let's say welcome to Stainless Digitals, right? Then you insert. So it's going to bring you here. When it brings you here, you have different options. Now let's check them out. This gives you opportunity to select the font type. This gives you to select the font size. These three here gives you opportunity to select the orientation. If you want to re-edit it, you re-edit it this way. This gives you color, you change the color. Then this gives you opportunity to write the animation if you don't want it to write like continuous writing. Then you can duplicate it here. Then in a case where you have different interfaces and image and the rest, you can either bring it to the back or bring it to the front. Now Duration shows the limit, the time you want this to actually write. So in this case, it's on 2 seconds. Delay is that lag time before it goes to the next item, and pause is that time it delays before writing the next item as well. So when I tap on play at the top here, we're going to see what I have, right? We're going to see what I have. So can you see? So it's taking like 2 seconds, right? So that is the function of our text. BG gives you opportunity to select background. Let's assume you want to pick a background of your choice. Hand here gives you opportunity to select the hand you want to use, and then music gives you opportunity to put a background music to your work, right? Now let's take up our first project, which is welcome to Stainless Digitals. You can use your hand to swipe it up and down. So what I'm going to go over to my font, which is this capital A small a, and let's assume I want to change it to this particular font, and the color, let me give it a sky bluish color, or let's say brown. You can always come to custom and customize your color, right? So let me leave it like this, but then 2 seconds is too much for me to allow it to write, right? So let me reduce the size. Okay, let me leave the size this way. Welcome to Stainless Digitals. So I'm going to come here and reduce the seconds. You can also enter here. It will just tell you to write the seconds. So let me assume 1.5 seconds. Okay, 1 second, right? So I'm going to play it to say welcome to Stainless Digitals, right? Now, so for me, I'm now going to go to my background. No, sorry, to my sticker. When I go to sticker, I'll go over to maybe business, and then I'll come and select this first option here that shows the thumbs up, because of course I'm welcoming you guys. And then I'm going to reduce the time to 1 second as well. When I reduce it to 1 second, of course this gives me the size of the image. So let me leave it this way and let me play it to see. Welcome to Stainless Digitals. Can you see? So this is it. Welcome to Stainless Digitals, right? So if I want to move my animation, if I want to add scenes to my animation, all I have to do is come and tap on this. When I tap on this, it's going to add another scene. You can see it has added scene 2 for me, and it's quite plain. So I will come to text and write, we're truly excited to have you in class today, right? So I'm going to insert this. So when I insert this, maybe the font now, I want to change it to the love fonts. No, I'm not comfortable with love. School bell. Okay. Alright, let's have school bell. Now, we're truly excited to have you in class. Let me place it at this particular position, and I'll give it maybe 1.5 seconds and a delay of let's say 1 second, right? And all of that. Now when I have this, then I'm going to now go over to my sticker as well. Then I'll still go. Now don't forget, I know where to get all of these stickers. So on your own time, just go through all of this and then ensure that you know exactly where some of these stickers are. Now because I'm saying welcome to class, I may want to choose these 2 images. They look like they are shaking hands, right? So let me increase the size and place it somewhere here. Of course the duration is much for me. I would just want a 1 second greeting. So for now, this is what we have. So let's play it from beginning and see what we have. Okay, so you can see this. Now I'm going to add another scene. So I'll go to my sticker. Then of course I will still go to, let's say, business, or Business. Okay. um I'm trying to look for the perfect image to use. Okay, let's use this. Let me increase the image a bit and take it down here. Then I'll reduce the size to 1 second, right? 1 second. All right, so when I do this, I'm now going to go to my text. No, not to my text. Let's still go to sticker. You know, at times all you have to do is just follow what the tutor is teaching you, right? Okay, so the next item, I want to pick, I'll go over to sticker. Then I'm going to look for shapes. Don't forget me, I know where these images are. So all you have to do also try to be able to locate where the shape is. So I want to pick a call out shape. Yeah, this one, right? So I have something like this. So I'm going to increase the size just a little bit. Okay, and I have something like this. Then I'll come over to my text and I'll type what should I type again? Okay, we are at your service, right? We are at your service. Then in this case, I'm going to come over to the size of my text here and maybe change it to 50. Oh, so these two places, if you observe, will give you opportunity to change the size of your text and all of that. So let me leave it at 70. So I place it here where your service. Okay, let's make this 90 and see what we have. Yeah, so we are at your service. So let's play our video from beginning to the end. Welcome to Stainless Digitals. We're truly excited to have you in class today. And oh, you see this one is delaying so much. We are at your service. So I'm going to stop here. So like I told you guys, you can always choose to come here and change your background. Let's assume you don't want this plain background. You can come here and change it. Let's tap on it to see what we have. So you can either change the color or select image from your gallery. Then this hand will give you opportunity to change the hand you want to write. Let's assume you're not comfortable with the default hand, so you can always change it, right? Then music as well. You can come here and either select a music, record your voice, edit it. Yeah, you can actually use your voice over here. Let me see this. This place that shows record as the video is playing, you can actually be speaking over the video. So instead of just writing, it's going to be your voice over, right? So this is what we have. So the next thing to do is to save the video. So I'll tap on this disk icon at the top here. You can discover this disk icon at the top. When I tap on this disk icon at the top here, it's going to bring me, and then it's telling me project saved. Can you see project saved at the bottom, right? So the next thing to do is I want to be able to save my movie. So I'm going to tap on this share button here. So when you tap on this share button, it's going to ask you to name your movie. So let's say Stainless Digitals, right? Stainless Digitals, right? So you tap on make movie. So when you tap on make movie, you can discover that it's making our movie. It's rendering. So you can see this here, do not close the application. So you have to be patient and wait until it is done rendering. When it's done rendering, then we can always exit the app. Okay. So if you want to share the movie, you tap on your share button. When you tap on your share button, then you share it to whoever you want to share, and then you can as well play the movie, right? So let's check our gallery and ensure that we have our movie there. So let's go to gallery. Ta-da! Our movie is here. So see it here. Okay, so that's what we have. We're truly excited to host you in this module of the training. Stainless Digitals is truly excited. We really do hope to see you in our next module of the training. Bye bye.